Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And today we'll be opening up everyone's favorite product, Synergy 2021-22. I paid $150 Canadian all in. It is pretty pricey for what you get out of it. There's some of the odds. So in one box, you're going to get 8 base red parallels, 3 Synergy FX inserts, 5 inserts, which could be stars of the show, which actually I opened one pack at the hobby shop, and this is what the stars of the show look like. I got Kucherov. You can get Roaring 20s and or Postseason Brilliance. 4 other inserts, which will be Exceptional Stars, Phenoms, and Futures. I do have one of the Futures as well. They don't look too bad. Almost kind of Christmassy. And the other 3 inserts are your Rookie Journeys and or Synergy Duos. So let's break into this and see what we can get. Hope everyone's having a good day. All right, first pack. Here's what the base look like. This is a rookie. You'll also get the bounty as well, which that one is. So Sampo Ranta. We got an Exceptional Stars out of 199, purple, of Alex Turcotte. We'll definitely get a lot of different parallels as well in this. And we have one of the duos green out of 999 of Jack Hughes and Nico Hischier. This one will go into my Jack Hughes PC. True rookies, I believe, are numbered out of 22 this year. We got Matthew Tkachuk base. Another bounty. An Exceptional Phenoms of Brady Tkachuk out of 899. And we have the Postseason Brilliance of Cole Caulfield. Not bad. Definitely lots of acetate. And we got base of Mitch Marner. Here's one of your Synergy FXs out of 749, Jordan Eberle. And we have a Stars of the Show, Alex Ovechkin. All right, last pack, the left side. If you guys are new here, please hit the like button and subscribe. It would mean a lot. Oh, it looks like we have an auto in here. We got Rookie Journey Drafts of Alex Newhook out of 999. Another Maple Leaf, Lanny McDonald base, and our auto looks like it's going to be Newhook. Alex Newhook. Actually kind of like the look of that. There's the back, not numbered. I believe you get 7 autos per case. And there's 16 boxes in a case. You got a rookie of Arttu Ristolainen. Exceptional Phenoms of Carter Hart out of 499, and Postseason Brilliance of William Karlsson. All right, it's definitely going to be a quick break today. We've got Nathan McKinnon red, Exceptional Stars, Mark Stone out of 899, and we have a duos out of 299 of Cam Atkinson and Cam York, 2 Cams. All the base are always upside down. We got Brent Burns, Synergy FX of Patrice Bergeron out of 749, and Roaring 20s. Definitely got some foil on there of Kirill Kaprizov. All right, last pack. maybe. We got Protas, Igor Chenikov out of 749, and stars of the show, Artemi Panarin. All right, we'll do a quick recap. All right, so in the bases, we got Mitch Marner, Brent Burns, Rustalainen, Protas, and then our bounties, we got Tkachuk, Lanny McDonald, Nathan McKinnon, and Sampo Ranta. Our FXs, we got Eberle, Bergeron, and Chenikov. Exceptional phenoms, Brady Tkachuk, Carter Hart, and Dawson Mercer. Roaring 20s of Kaprizov. Star of the show, Ovechkin and Panarin. Exceptional Futures Purple of Turcotte. Rookie Journey of Newhook. Exceptional Stars, Mark Stone. Duos. And the duos at $2.99. Our Brilliance postseasons of Caulfield and Mark Stone. And the hit of the box would be the Alex Newhook autograph. All right. Thank you, everyone. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.